I guess why I chose to stay with you guys at the hotel was because I felt safer. I needed to be around people that were had that positive energy. If I had a chance to go and stay at my family's house, which is in the North Central, I think right away off the bat, like, I would get nervous and I would get anxious. I would start thinking on how to hustle, and then more than likely will lead to relapse. I don't want that. That part of you doesn't leave. People get told you gotta put all the bullshit aside and all that street shit aside. But still, it doesn't leave you. It's still in you because you experienced it. I was at a house party, so to speak, and the wrong people came to crash the party, and I was bear maced and I got stabbed in the face. They had guns pointed at us, and the reaction was for I was wanting to die. And they said, nah, just leave him alone. And I got hit. Like, it felt like I got hit. But then the next movement was that I got bear maced. So I was blind. And then I heard people saying, call the ambulance for Michael. Look at him. Look at his face. He's gonna die right here. I didn't care. I really wanted them to kill me that day. I really did. I really did want them to do it. But they didn't. Everyone has choices, right? Guess I made my choices. Now that I'm 9 months sober, I look back on it and I do get frustrated because I was like, Jesus Christ, how come I didn't change this for myself ahead of time? But I didn't. Now I have to live with marks on my body. I'm grateful. I got away unscathed. I'm alive. You know, what else can I say? I'm very grateful that I'm alive right now, that I'm here on earth. I'm blessed.